In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add an Instagram Reel to your Brevo email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video Email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Brevo emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll run you through how you can create a video email, just like this example, featuring an Instagram Reel. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new regular email campaign in Brevo. We complete all the fields and selections as normal. Next, we select our template. We now select the HTML block in the template builder, dragging this HTML block into position within the template where we wish our reel to be featured. We are now ready to select our Instagram reel. Okay, so let's grab our reel from Instagram. If you use the Meta Business Suite, visit your professional dashboard and download your reel from there. If you don't have a Meta Business Suite, you'll need to use your mobile for the download. Step 1 is to locate the reel we wish to add to our email. To download this, we tap the share icon in the bottom of the screen. From the options, we select Download. We now have a copy of our reel in our camera roll. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed into Viewed, we select New Video and then Upload Video. Next, we add a name for our Instagram Reel. We now upload our reel from our computer by either dragging it into the platform or selecting it from our folders. We now enter the width of our video. This is 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our reel will now be uploaded to Viewed. This will take up to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the reel. We have now successfully uploaded our reel. The next step is to choose how we are going to use the reel. We select Send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our reel to our Brevo template. We return to our Brevo campaign, where we delete the code in the HTML editor. Next, we paste the HTML snippet into this source code pane and click the Save button. Our reel is now in position within our template. We proceed to preview our video email on desktop and mobile. We are now ready to proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For more details on the free, unlimited trial of the Viewed Video Email platform, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.